In her heart blooms a radiant light of young self-worth. Her kindness shapes her character, gentle, graceful, and full of goodness. Sabrina moves with quiet elegance, bright in spirit and softly humble in nature. Her steady confidence silently holds the true secret of inner beauty. She spreads warmth, happiness, and a calm assurance everywhere she goes. Peaceful thoughts gently lift Sabrina's hopeful and open mind. Love slowly unfolds within her heart like the soft glow of morning light. Her dreams carry her forward, toward a brighter and more powerful version of herself. The longing of her heart flows in waves of deep and quiet tenderness. Her expressive face reveals warmth, passion, and a gentle inner fire. Her graceful manner brings feelings of beauty, kindness, and generosity to all around her. Sabrina appears adventurous, determined, and wise, with a character that is truly rare. She gives every effort and strength to everything she takes on. People often call Sabrina bold, one of a kind, and deeply inspiring. Her lively spirit moves swiftly, like threads of quiet and beautiful energy. Her voice sounds bright and warm, like music that fills the heart with wonder. Waves of joy flow gently through the chambers of her heart. Together, they create a peaceful world of harmony, beauty, and shining happiness. Her moonlit spirit expresses love through every graceful and delightful action. Dark brown hair flows beautifully around her confident and glowing presence. People admire Sabrina's bold grace, her quiet brilliance, and the beauty she carries wherever she walks.